Welcome to another tutorial on Software Ideas Modeler, your go-to tool for creating comprehensive diagrams with ease. Today, we're diving into a handy feature that will boost your productivity, copying attributes from one class to another. Let's get started. Imagine you're working on refining your class diagram, and you realize that certain attributes need to be present in more than one class. No need to manually retype them. With Software Ideas Modeler, you can simply copy attributes. Let me show you how. First, locate the grip on the right part of the attribute you want to copy or move. Now, click and hold the grip. Drag it over to the class where you want this attribute to be copied or moved. When we do not hold any key, the attribute is moved. See. When we hold down the Control key before we drop the attribute is copied. By holding the Control key, you ensure the attribute is copied, not moved. And just like that, your attribute is now in both classes. Need to copy multiple attributes? No problem. Select them using the Control key for individual selections or the Shift key to select a range. Once selected, grab them by the grip of one of the attributes and start dragging. Hold Control key and drop the attributes to the target class. We can copy the attributes from Document class to File class in our diagram. But what if your target class is on a different diagram? Simply open that diagram in another tab. We can click on the Diagram node, in our case the Images diagram, in the project tree. Now, drag the selected attributes over to the tab of your desired diagram. Wait for it to open, then continue dragging towards your target class. Remember, hold Control if you're looking to copy. Without Control, you'll move the attributes instead. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to copy attributes, operations, rules, and even stereotypes between classes in Software Ideas Modeler. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Software Ideas Modeler. Happy diagramming!